a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fight pretty like my ego.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from BeautyForever. They sent over one of their ByeBye knots 7x5 pre-everything kinky curly units. They're offering this unit in 14 inches all the way down to 24 inches, and I received the 20 inch. This is going to be a straight out of the box review, like I'm literally removing the net right now. And looking at the unit right away, the curls look really nice, super defined. I will say that I'm probably gonna want to loosen up these curls like just a little bit, just because I don't know, whenever it's a kinky curly unit, which I mean obviously kinky curly unit means that the curls are going to be tight, but I don't know, sometimes I want them just like a little bit looser because it can, I feel like super duper 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 tight curls on wigs can sometimes age me a little bit. So I don't know, we're probably gonna try to like loosen these up a little bit by like drenching it in water, but I don't know, we'll see. Now I will say, looking at the lace, obviously you can tell that the unit has been pre-cut already, but you can also tell that the knots on this unit have been pre-bleached, and I will say that you can see a little bit that the unit has been pre-plucked. I may or may not go back in and pluck it some more. It just all depends on how it's looking on my head. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb here in the back. Then it also has adjustable straps along with that silicone strip as well. As for the lace, this is a 7x5, so you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. If you choose to wear this unit glueless, you will get a little security band and a little baggie. I may or may not wear this unit glueless. I don't know. I guess we'll just see.
Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, bro. Take me out the club, bro. Take me out the trap, bro. Take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall, see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from BeautyForever. If you're not new here, then you know I usually love me a good curly unit, especially like a 24-inch curly unit, like big curly, just out there. I don't know, I really like those type of units. I also typically love me a cute little pixie cut curly unit. I feel like those are really cute on me as well. Whenever it comes to like this length, I typically am not the biggest fan. Like, I'll like it, but I'm not just like wow about it. This unit, I am wowed about it. And the craziest part about it is, like, I don't really know what's making me feel like wowed about this unit. Like, let's be real, it's your typical standard 1B-ish color. Like, it's a kinky curly unit. Love the textures of kinky curly units because it mimics my natural texture. I don't know if it's the way that I cut it that's making me be like,
Ooh, ah, wow.
I don't know if it's like the density of it, which, by the way, this is 180% density. I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video. Like, I don't know. Like, I just really like this unit. Maybe it's the shirt. Well, technically this is a dress, but you know, I'm just gonna wear it as a shirt for right now because, you know, I'm just recording or whatever. But girl, I don't know. I just really like this unit. I don't have any cons whatsoever about this unit. Like, when they said pre-everything, they really meant pre-everything. There are some companies who will say that the unit is going to come pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and I feel like you'll get like 2 out of the 3. With this one, you really did get all 3. I know earlier I had mentioned that I might go in and like pluck the unit some more, but excuse me, sorry, this unit did not need any more plucking. Like, I feel like they did a really good job with plucking when it came to this unit. Also, when it came to the pre-bleaching of the knots, like, they really did pre-bleach all of the knots. I don't know, sometimes some companies will just like pre-bleach the strip or wherever they put the parting space in the lace. No, BeautyForever, oh my gosh, why can't I talk? BeautyForever really went in and pre-bleached the entire lace. Like, this looks so good. I typically really don't care for the like jagged, wavy, I don't know, pre-cut design that they put on pre-cut laces, but this one is not bad at all. Like, it's blending in really nicely as well. Like, this right here is lace, and then this is my actual forehead. Like, BeautyForever. I can't really speak on tangling when it comes to this unit because I haven't been wearing it long enough, but as far as shedding is concerned, I would say that I got like very minimal shedding, especially whenever I was going through and like redefining the curls. Like, I was expecting a lot more because, I mean, obviously this is a curly unit, but no, I would say I got like this much. I would show you, but I like mixed it in already with the hair that I cut off, so yeah. I would say that if you are someone who has like 4B, 4C hair texture, this unit would be really nice for you. But I also want to mention to make sure you treat it as such. We all know how difficult yet delicate 4B, 4C hair texture can be. So in a little bit, I am going to go grab my like olive oil sheen and spray that over the hair just to make sure that it doesn't like dry out and keeps like a nice sheen to it. Y'all know I always got to mention whether a unit is big head friendly or not, and I would definitely say that this one is big head friendly. She's fitting on my head like nice and comfortably, and honestly I probably could go in and like tighten her up just a little bit, but I'm just gonna leave her as is for right now. I obviously cannot keep my hands out of this hair, which I really need to do so because I still need to take pictures in this unit. I was gonna say with this unit, in this unit, so I recommend picking her up. She is a 10 out of 10 for me. You guys let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at @TanDotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.